up, everybody? Alright, on this one's gonna be a quick one. How do I sound? I wanna know how I sound. So last night, well, the last video I made, it was I was kinda worried about the wind noise, and because the Airform, or the Icon Airform helmet, which I got, doesn't come with a chin curtain. So decided to make my own. So that's what this video is going to be. Just a little quick how-to. I'm not going to really talk too much during it, but just film it, and hopefully it helps some people out, anyone else that has the Airform, which I'm going to do a ride review with it and let you know my thoughts and opinions on it. But for now, just trying to cut down on some of the wind noise. Hopefully it helps. Anyways, without further ado, check this out, and see you after. Okay, so as you guys probably saw from my last video, that my helmet, I was kind of complaining, a little concerned about the wind noise, but I was complaining about the lack of chin curtain this helmet has. So the helmet that I have is a Icon Airform, I believe it's called. And it is super dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it. This helmet does not have a chin curtain. Normally they go right here. So what we're gonna do today is some beard hair, attempt to make one. But what we're gonna use is a pair of old Nike shorts, piece of cardboard, Sharpie, butter knife, and scissors. I'm just gonna slide my GoPro mount off, put that aside. Okay, so now we have the front of the helmet exposed. So now, what I want to do, I'm gonna use this cardboard, trace out the edge, right, and that leaves about, half an inch to an inch, might leave a little more, and I'm gonna try and use a butter knife to tuck it in here. That's a pretty tight lip, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's do this.
cut it a little bit smaller. Too sure how it will work. I'm gonna go on a ride tomorrow. Looks pretty good though. I might try this again and maybe bring it down here more so it cuts across here. But for now, I'm pretty happy with that. Like, that's covering like a solid inch of your chin there. So, you know what? I think that'll work. Looks good. Looks like it's actually meant to be there. Surprising, that's awesome. Okay. There you go. Go for a ride.
Alright guys, there you go. There's a quick little how-to on adding a chin curtain to your Icon Airform. Alright, hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like, maybe consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video. See you guys.